bloated after meals, tired even when you eat clean, and no matter what you try, your gut just won't cooperate. You've tested probiotics, powders, and random gut health hacks, but nothing actually sticks. That's because the real fix isn't supplements. It's the specific plant foods that feed your good bacteria and repair your gut lining. In this video, I'll show you 10 plant-based foods with proven effects on digestion, microbiome diversity, and gut strength. So you finally get consistent energy, less bloating, and a gut that actually works with you, not against you. Number 1, garlic. You are not alone. Most people struggle with gut issues, bloating, irregular digestion, or just feeling off. The truth is, your gut depends on good bacteria. When these friendly bacteria go down, harmful ones take over. That means weaker digestion, low energy, and more inflammation in your body. That's where garlic comes in. Garlic isn't just for flavor. It's packed with special compounds like allicin, which is formed when garlic is chopped, quercetin, which is a plant antioxidant, and inulin, which is a natural fiber. In simple terms, inulin works like food for good bacteria such as Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus, which support digestion and immunity. A clinical trial in fatty women showed that if you eat garlic, it extract for 2 months increased good bacteria like Bifidobacterium and Faecalibacterium. These bacteria make butyrate, a nutrient that strengthens the gut lining, reduces leaks, and lowers inflammation. At the same time, garlic lowered harmful bacteria levels. The result? A healthier gut barrier, stronger digestion, and lower risk of inflammation-related problems. To get the best benefits, eat 1 to 2 raw or lightly cooked cloves daily. Crush garlic and let it rest for a few minutes boosts allicin. Pair it with vegetables and whole grains for even stronger effects. Keep this in mind. Garlic isn't just a seasoning, it's daily gut fuel. Number 2, onion. It's a common myth that onions are just a way to add flavor, but hidden inside, onions carry powerful compounds that can change your gut health. Like garlic, onions are rich in special plant fibers and natural chemicals that feed good bacteria. But many people don't have a proper gut bacteria balance. Stress, processed foods, and low-fiber diets make it worse. Ordinary digestion breaks down most food before it reaches the gut microbes. But onion fibers, like inulin and fructans, don't get digested in the small intestine. They travel deep into the colon, where gut bacteria can use them as food. When these fibers reach your gut, they feed good microbes like Bifidobacterium and Faecalibacterium. These bacteria then make short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, such as butyrate and propionate. SCFAs protect the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and support immunity. Onions also boost compounds from tryptophan that keep the gut calm and resilient. Adding half to 1 cup of onion a day, raw in salads or lightly cooked, can nurture a healthier microbiome. Red onions even bring extra antioxidants. In short, onions aren't just flavor, they're gut medicine. Number 3, asparagus. You will see, doctors often say, improve your gut health. But what does that really mean? One key is feeding the good bacteria inside your stomach, and that's where asparagus comes in. Asparagus is more than just a green vegetable on your plate. It also contains inulin. As you already know, this is a fermentable fiber, which means bacteria in your gut can break it down and turn it into useful compounds. Studies show asparagus roots have very high amounts of inulin, but even the tender shoots we eat are rich in it. When your gut bacteria eat asparagus fiber, they produce substances called SCFAs, short-chain fatty acids. They strengthen your gut wall, help mucus production, and reduce inflammation. At the same time, asparagus helps good bacteria like Bifidobacterium grow, while lowering harmful bacteria. The result is clear: a stronger gut, better digestion, and less discomfort. Eating 1 to 2 cups of lightly steamed asparagus or mixing it with other inulin-rich foods like garlic can give your gut the boost it needs. Number 4, artichoke. One vegetable can shift billions of microbes living inside your gut. The globe artichoke. This plant is rich in inulin. In a well-known human trial, adults who consumed just 10 grams of artichoke inulin daily showed dramatic changes in their gut. The good bacteria, Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus, grew in large numbers. At the same time, certain less helpful bacteria dropped. This simple change strengthens digestion, supports immunity, and lowers gut inflammation. The study didn't show an immediate rise in short-chain fatty acids, SCFAS. Over time, with regular artichoke intake, the gut starts producing more butyrate, one of the most protective SCFAs. Butyrate helps maintain a strong gut lining and reduces harmful inflammation. So how do you get these benefits? Steamed or boiled artichokes make the fiber easier to digest. Marinated or raw hearts hold even more prebiotic power. A half cup of artichoke hearts or a quality extract daily can work wonders. Pairing artichokes with other prebiotic foods, like chicory or Jerusalem artichokes, amplifies the effect. Number 5. Chickpeas, legumes. Inside your gut, some bacteria help with digestion and lower inflammation. Others produce toxins and make you feel worse. The challenge is how to tip the balance toward the good ones. Chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans, may be a simple solution. They are loaded with special fibers, soluble fiber, resistant starch, and plant sugars called oligosaccharides. Unlike normal carbs that get broken down in the stomach, these fibers travel to the large intestine. There, they act as food for good bacteria, working like natural prebiotics. In one study, people who ate a cup of chickpeas daily for 3 weeks saw major changes in their gut. The number of helpful bacteria increased. This microbe makes butyrate, a compound that heals the gut lining and strengthens the barrier that keeps harmful substances out. At the same time, harmful bacteria, including toxin and ammonia producers, dropped. The result is better digestion, less inflammation, and a stronger gut wall. A single serving of chickpeas provides around 12 grams of fiber, a powerful daily dose to keep the good guys in charge of your gut. Number 6. Oats. You start each day feeling sluggish. Your digestion is unpredictable. You're tired of bloating and stomach discomfort ruining your day. Regular oats contain special fiber called Beta-Glucan. Think of it as food for the good bacteria in your gut. When you eat oats, this fiber feeds helpful microbes like tiny gardeners working to keep your intestines healthy. Studies show people who ate oats daily grew more good bacteria in their gut. These bacteria produce chemicals called short-chain fatty acids, SCFAS. So you get better digestion, stronger gut barrier, and less inflammation. One study found oat eaters had higher levels of beneficial bacteria, like Akkermansia, which protects gut walls. Eat 1 to 2 cups of steel-cut or rolled oats daily. Cook them as oatmeal or make overnight oats. Skip instant oats. They lack the beneficial fiber. Add berries or yogurt for extra gut benefits. Number 7. Berries. Your gut feels inflamed and sensitive. You suffer from irregular bowel movements. Your immune system seems weak, leaving you catching every bug that goes around. Berries contain powerful plant compounds called anthocyanins, the pigments that make them colorful. These compounds survive your stomach acid and reach your colon intact. Once there, good bacteria break them down into healing substances. Research shows berry eaters have more diverse gut bacteria. The anthocyanins feed those same beneficial microbes, Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that strengthen your gut lining and reduce inflammation. One study with elderly people found blueberry consumption increased good bacteria and lowered inflammatory markers in blood. Eat half to 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries daily. Don't drink berry juice. You need the fiber from whole berries. Top your oats with berries or add them to yogurt for maximum gut benefits. Number 8. Almonds. You're looking for healthy snacks that won't upset your stomach. You want consistent energy without digestive crashes. You need more fiber but worry about gas and bloating. Almonds contain special fiber that releases slowly in your gut. Unlike other foods, almonds have tough cell walls that gradually break down, giving your gut bacteria a steady supply of nutrients to work with. A clinical trial showed people eating almonds daily produced more butyrate, a key SCFA that feeds colon cells and reduces inflammation. Though changes in bacteria types were modest, the increased butyrate production suggests better gut function. The polyphenols in almond skins also provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Eat 30 to 40 grams, about a handful, of whole almonds daily. The intact cell walls are important for gut benefits. Ground almonds work too, but whole ones are better. Pair with fruits or add almond butter to berries for variety. Number 9. Kimchi. You must be tired of taking expensive probiotic supplements that may not even work. Kimchi is fermented cabbage packed with live beneficial bacteria. The fermentation process creates lactic acid bacteria like lactobacillus while keeping the original fiber intact. You get both probiotics or live bacteria and prebiotics or bacteria food in one dish. Studies comparing high and low kimchi consumers found remarkable differences. High consumers had more beneficial bacteria like Faecalibacterium and Bifidobacterium, plus fewer harmful bacteria like E. coli. The live bacteria strengthen your gut barrier while the fiber feeds resident microbes to produce more short-chain fatty acids. Eat 1/4 to ½ cup daily with meals. Don't heat it. Cooking kills the beneficial bacteria. Pair with brown rice or other whole grains for maximum prebiotic effect. Start small if you're not used to fermented foods. Number 10. Chicory root. You've tried various gut health approaches, but nothing seems to work consistently. You want targeted support for beneficial bacteria growth. You need something that really makes a difference. Chicory root contains inulin, a special type of fiber that good bacteria love, but bad bacteria can't use. Studies using chicory-based foods found significant improvements in gut bacteria, balanced with just 3 to 7 grams daily. The increased Bifidobacterium leads to better digestion, stronger immune function, and reduced inflammation. Start with 5 grams of inulin powder daily, gradually increasing to 10 grams. You can buy chicory coffee as an alternative to regular coffee, or add inulin powder to smoothies. Start slowly. Too much too fast can cause gas in sensitive people. Your gut is home to trillions of microbes, and every bite you eat shapes them. So now the question is, which of these 10 foods will you start adding to your plate today? Do you think your gut needs more fiber, more fermented foods, or both? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear which one you'll try first. And if you found this helpful, hit like, share it with someone who struggles with gut issues, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. And until we meet again, stay safe, be well.